My name is Aaron Gonthier Jr. I make videos on live streaming, motorboating, and full-size trains. Also, my life at college and at home. This is home life. This is life log.
Yeah.
There.
You can't do it that way, Aaron.
You can't?
No.
Oh, really?
You can't access any of the lights of this truck that way.
Oh, that's no fun.
Ouch.
Oh, there's a panel in there.
Now,
Oh, cool.
in here, you can see I can make it wiggle, but I can't turn it. I can't do it like that, but on the very tip.
So up in here.
Yeah, and you have...
Yeah.
There's a wire unplugged from behind it.
It should.
No,
No.
it twists counterclockwise, the whole housing twists counterclockwise, 1/4 turn. Maybe something for the for Roy.
Maybe Aaron can get his arm in there and do
I don't know.
a pair of pliers.
I can. So that one right there is the one I'm going after.
Yep, it is.
Really? Ram? You almost have to jack this vehicle up. Put this, take the wheel off.
Can you turn the wheel or not?
I
Maybe that
can.
would help. Turn it
That-
towards the. Turn it towards the other way, Tim. Opposite. Spin. A lot of rust up in there. And the right one. That one right there. It's supposed to turn.
Yeah, it has to turn.
It doesn't just pull out.
No. The bulb only goes in from the front of the, see? See how the bulb fits in?
Yeah.
It's a push in, but you gotta pull the whole housing.
You got a pair of pliers? Long nose
No,
needle. Yes, you do. Needle nose pliers.
those are so thin it'll bust your housing for the wire. And I don't want to do that.
I can't get my hand. I can't grab it and turn it.
Yeah, I was having the
Gotta be
same
done.
issue.
I can try one more time, but
It's almost like you almost got to replace the entire headlight.
no. Even then, to do that, he said you may have to take off the entire inside fender. That's more tools than I have.
Yeah. We'll try it and see. I don't know. I hope you can get it. All I can do is get my finger and thumb on it, and it's not turning.
I can grip it, but I can't see how it's supposed to turn.
He said you turn it this way. You're wiggling it.
I can do that part. See, it's got a compression, like an O-ring. That's a compression style.
So you got to push in and turn.
You got to work against it all the time to turn it.
So you got to push in and turn, right?
Yeah. Ouch! It's moving. Ouch!
You got it. Yeehaw! You got it out.
Yeah, so it's out, guys. They never make these things easy to swap out.
Take that one.
The bloom gold.
I need a blue paper towel.
All right.
To the left.
All right.
For the headlights.
Yeah.
Turn it that way.
This way?
Yep.
Lights on.
Now turn the direction light on.
All right.
Go this way.
This direction?
No, turn the hazard lights on.
Hazards on?
In the middle. Oh yeah. Before this one.
There.
Okay, shut off the flashers.
Okay.
Turn everything off.
All right.
Packing with bags on.
Parking lights are still on.
Yeah, together the right way.
All right. Turn off the thing.
Yeah.
All right.
Everything.
Turn everything off.
All right.
They design these so if you get dirt on them, or human grease,
Wheels in your body.
they will blow.
Sheesh. So they're extremely touchy now.
I don't even know if I'm getting this in here, right?
From this angle you are.
I can use that so I can grip it.
And one direction light.
No, it's not chained. I don't get it in there. Not even in there at all.
Looks to be in place.
Just sitting there.
Well, this goes in the trash can, right? Do you need the?
I have to have that.
The wrapper. Okay.
Don't
Then
have
I'll
to have
put
the
it on you.
plastic. I have to have the other.
The bulb,
The cardboard.
the cardboard. Well, I'll leave it all together and put it on your box.
Won't turn. Oh, this is not good.
What?
I can't get it to move at all.
Can't get it back in.
It's in place.
Yeah.
Let's go. Gotta go.
Got a what?
You pushed in further.
It has.
Yep.
Okay.
As in, it's in there, but it's got to turn when you got to push it in while you turn it, I believe.
It's not turning. And it's not pushing in either.
But they'll just pull right back out real easy.
It's not pulling out. I just tried pulling it out. It's not pulling out.
Really? Maybe I got it in wrong.
I think so. Is it working? Does
I
it
don't know.
work?
But will it fall out on the vibration if it's part way in and not turn?
All right.
Do not turn it
Or don't?
No.
Okay.
You want to get electrocuted?
No.
No. DC current and it's sealed. Don't know.
Yeah, no, it's like you have to almost dismantle this whole side of the truck to get one small part.
They certainly don't make it for convenience.
No, they don't. They want it. It almost seems like they want you to like go back to the dealership to get this repaired.
I can't turn it, Etienne.
Yeah, but you know, most dealerships charge like $300 to change a bulb in these things now.
Yeah.
I don't know if this will work or not.
I don't know. I'll get up and
I
have
don't
a
think
look.
it will.
Yes.
I don't really want to break it.
You want this?
Can't lose this. That's the pin that goes on this door.
Okay.
No, I can't even begin to get these in there.
Okay. So
I'd have
just
to have
try.
the whole pliers only that long.
Oh wow.
You're not going to be able to do anything with it.
Yeah.
No.
Well, I tried turning it. I don't know if you can get it going now that it's started. You turned it.
No, I didn't. I'm just rocking it.
Oh. I know you can do it.
I cannot make it move like you want me to.
All it is to change a stupid little light bulb.
Yeah.
Yep. Well, you're going to have to run it like it is, because I can't do anything with it.
Okay.
Can't even pull it back out, so.
Well, I couldn't pull it back out either. So I thought, well, must be you got it in there right. Gotta be right if you don't pull back out.
Like I said, no tools work with this thing because the way they designed it.
Yeah. Did you guys gather eggs yet?
I haven't done that yet.
Take a flap of stuff for the ducks.
A flake of straw.
Lights. Same temperature for candy, but
Well,
it's
that's interesting.
Please put this under the sink under the...
Counter stuff.
Put that where it belongs, please, so I don't break it.
Okay.
Somebody. Hi, AJ.
Hey.
Okay. Who just took care of? I am going back in there.
Fire torpedo one!
No, thanks, Sam.
Shucks. You won't let me throw it. Oh. That's okay.
Yeah.
I need a bowl.
Hey, you got more time?
Munch. You munch? Yeah, I'm really doing good. Can you tell I'm seriously sleep deprived?
When was the last time you actually took a good sized nap with Taunt?
that's the problem.
I just got maybe 2 minutes of nap in there in the living room, right after eating supper.
Well, you're.
That's nappiness for me. That'll last me for the next 24 hours. I think I made this a little bit liquidy. Oh well.
Yeah. Well, you realize, Matot, when I come up to say I'm shutting off the Wi-Fi, it's probably a good time for me to try to get a little bit of sleep.
Sleep. I nap. I've never slept. I've only ever napped.
No. Oh, let's see if this is working right. Well, so far things are working with this. It's snowing and just waiting on the white ram. Probably in a few minutes I'll call the house, figure out if the white ram has left yet, and roughly how far away he might be. I might see if the other cell phone holder, my aunt, is en route with him. They're en route with him, and see if that's something. But I don't know. I might. Oh, hold on! I might have just found white ram. Maybe. Nah, it's silver. That's crew. White ram's a mega. Yep, it's a mega cab I'm looking for, and that's silver. Any white. Though the snow on it looks white. No, that's frustrating. You said now I'm looking for a white mega cab. Before I tell you it's a Dodge. Well, we decided to take a break for a few minutes, take care of some stuff. And we've already kind of pretty much stopped for the morning. Probably do some more after running a few errands. We got a lot of this taken care of. Got like 2 pieces on of the I left this up here. Of sheets of sheetrock that I got. We picked up some other stuff. We found some sheetrock for like, it was like 4 sheets for like 50% off. Can't beat that with a stick. We got a lot of sheetrocking to do. So, yeah, there's that. So we're trying to get that all wrapped up today. Well, actually not necessarily wrapped up. We're trying to get it as done as much as we can. We've got a lot of work to do. Not much time to get it done. So, we still have quite a bit to do. So, yeah. That's as much as we got. We've got pieces to use as well. There's gonna be a lot of mud and a lot of tape to be used. I'm probably gonna have to make several trips just for mud and tape. Because we can't do electrical until the sheetrock's done. Because we have to build a conduit. Because of the way things are. I would already have the electrical done if I was allowed to do it the way I like. But I can't finish up framing until this is done, so yeah, this thing's very hard to hold. So that's what's going on right now. We'll get this thing finished. You can see mostly sheetrocked. It's got about to this, or yeah, mostly insulated. We have about here done, so pretty much we still have this side of the room. We've been working our way around. We still got a whole another run that's behind the camera to do. Pretty much we're trying to make a big old, I feel like a C. So I got to put in access point for the upper part, and then we got to start. So, yep, we got it done. That's what's going on right now. Of course, it's gonna get interesting because I got to put some clips ahead of this one, so maybe I'll put a gap in or something. I don't know.
Yep. Much fun. Proof he makes his own breakfast every once in a while. Butter works. Yes. And we do have oil. Ew, what are you making?
I thought I overheard you actually say we didn't have any.
I didn't say that.
Oh.
You overheard the wrong thing.
Oh, what's that?
Pay attention if you're going to eavesdrop the right way.
Well, see, a lot of times, if I overhear something, it's because people are talking very loud.
Wow, I can't imagine people talking really loud in our house. You think people are going to talk loud here? No. Yeah, maybe.